Hey my brothers and my senior guys, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, in this video is gonna be very special and very important video for you all, or as you also can see in the thumbnail. What is the today's topic? Today's topic is most important and very beneficial topic for you all. So guys, first of all I wanna say sorry to everyone because I didn't available for before someday. My exam was just running, so that's why I cannot able to make the video because study is very important, so I did not available to make the video. So I say sorry to everyone, and you just don't mind about this all of the thing. So now guys, today I am here my new thoughts and idea for you all, or for you to develop your English speaking and English related thing. Today I'm gonna share you. So guys, first of all, today's video I'm gonna share you. So the topic is that understanding problem. Yes guys, understanding problem. So guys, if you all are guys have problem to understand the English lecture. So guys, in this video is only for you all, or and for your better understand and for your better English speaking. To I will make this video. So we just have the lots of problem, English related problem. We also can say a lot of things, but when about the thing that English speaking, so we did not available to do something for the English language. So whenever something are arranged in our in our nearby our club, so we do not give some speech about this program related. So why? Because we did not know the English language. So English language is the one of the most important thing and like a very important thing in this generation and in this time also. Without the English language, no one can be a perfect person in their life. So English is very important. Now I will say to you that the understand English. If you also guys just have the problem that you do not understand some lecture, what they say and what they try to share us, we did not understand. Why we did not understand? First of all, you have to question yourself that why you did not understand what they say. Then after you ask the question for yourself, so you will get the answer. Because to understanding English language, you have to do the hard work. You have to read the books. You have to like you have to be a patient. You have to take the patient. Then whenever what we are just doing, whenever we just read some of books, as like 2 or 3 books, we just thinking that now it is enough, now we will learn English language, because we did not have the patience, and we just we just curious all of the thing. Our curiosity also just say this thing, do this thing, do this thing. So like saying small knowledge is very dangerous. If you have the small knowledge, so it is very dangerous. Just try to brief your knowledge by reading books, because reading books is like a very important thing for your life, and for to understanding English language, for to speak the English language, for to develop your English vocabulary. So English reading books is very important, as I say. Also my teacher also suggest, my parents also suggest, and I also suggest to you all that reading books is more beneficial for you all, if you want to be the English speaker and if you want to be anything in your life. Because nowadays I believe, and many people also believe, that without the English language we are nothing in the world. Yes, without the English language. The English language have the capacity to run the country. Yes guys, to run the city. Yes guys, to run a company, English language have the capacity. Because you just think after you graduated, you got job, but the thing is you did not know the speaking, and you did not know the English language. So in this time you did not got job, and you are rusticated from your job. Because of why? Because you did not know the English language. Yes guys, because English language is like a very English language is like a very tough thing, as I see. So if you guys want to learn the English language by easily, so you have to follow my channel, you have to subscribe my channel, and you have to press the bell icon, because I also upload lots of motivational, lots of various types of video about English I also upload various types of video about the English topic. So you also can take this video for you for to do something in your life and for to speak the English language, for to learn the English language. We are just thinking, people are just thinking that when for to do something in your future, you have to just learn the English language. Without the English language, in this time, nothing is possible. Always remember one thing and always be a perfect man. And just ignore all of the thing, ignore your societies, ignore your all of the friends, ignore your all of the thing. Just focus on study, just focus on reading. Whenever if you read something and if you read something carefully and concentrately, so your English speaking will definitely develop, and no one come to you to ask some question, because they are also afraid that if you ask some English related question, so they will shock and they did not answer the question, so in this time their practice will puncture. So always remember one thing, that nothing is impossible in the world. Always be a positive and always be positive and think positively. So guys, if you just like this video and if you just have any idea from this video, so guys, you have to subscribe my channel, and after you subscribe my channel, you have to press the bell icon, because I also upload a lots of motivational video, and I also just do a lot of hard work about to make the video. So guys, you also have this thing, you have to guys subscribe my channel, because you once subscribe, I got motivated, and if I got motivated, so I also upload lots of beneficial video for your life, for your English speaking better. So guys, if you like this video, also thank you, and see you in the next more important video.